Back at you again with another Cooking Creations. This is Chef Brandon, Four Winds Casino's Executive Chef. We're gonna have a little something for your sweet tooth here. Let's make a little sweetie for the sweetie here. We're gonna have a raspberry cheesecake mousse. Pretty simple to make. A couple different components to combine together into one, but it's easy, it's not hard. I think it's something that anybody can do. Let's get busy. I can show you the ingredients here. Let's get going. We have our fresh raspberries, some lemon juice, some granulated sugar, some whole butter, some graham cracker crumbs, some more sugar here. We've got a couple different components. That's why we have different levels out here. We got vanilla with powdered sugar, some heavy cream, some cream cheese, some more powdered sugar, and I have some whipped cream already, and some raspberries, some more raspberries for the topping. We're gonna start it out real simple. We got our raspberries, sugar, and some lemon juice. So it's a two-part kind of a deal here. I'm gonna do whipped cream. So we're gonna do a whipped cream, but we're also gonna whip our cream cheese and then fold the two of them together with the raspberry puree. All right, here we go. We're gonna start with our whipped cream. Let me get this thing going here. Alrighty. It's always fun to make a little mess while you're working. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with our vanilla. And we're looking for is just to get them to like a soft peak, because we're gonna still continue to whip it. Once the cream cheese is whipped up, we're gonna continue to mix the two of them. So, all right, now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the powdered sugar to get it sweet. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and whip up our cream cheese. Best to get that at room temperature. You want that to be nice and soft. Hand mixers work really well with cream cheese too, because you want it to get smooth. You don't want the little chunks, the little kind of gritty cream cheese feel to it. We're gonna go ahead and get our powdered sugar in there to get it sweetened up. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and put this raspberry puree right into this cream cheese. That's gonna give us that really nice pink flavor, or that pink color in there. All right, so that looks beautiful. Now we'll take this and we're gonna fold this into our whipped cream. That's gonna give us that fluffy mousse that we're looking for. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and fold our raspberry cream cheese into our whipped cream here. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and get our graham cracker crust ready. Be right back. Graham cracker crumbs. We got our sugar and our melted butter. Very simple. Any standard graham cracker crust. What I try to do is just make sure that that graham cracker touches the butter. All right, here we go. And what I tend to do with this was, I'm not scared of, make sure you get a nice clean hand here, but give it a little press just to make sure it's got a nice little crust, the bottom's pressed in there. It's not too fluffy and light for you. I threw our raspberry cheesecake mousse in a bag, pastry bag. I'm gonna pipe it in here. Now, if you don't have a pastry bag, which most of us at home don't, I would suggest using a Ziploc bag if you got one. All right, we're gonna get this other one going here. You know what, let's make this a little quicker. Let me show you how it's done. And there you have it. I told you it was quick. All right, let me move this out of the way here. So again, a little sweetie for your sweetie. You can impress, your family, your friends, your partner, anything you really want to do. I think that it's nice to get surprised with a nice little dessert here like this. It's delicious. From my kitchen to yours, I'm Chef Brandon. Enjoy.